Today, I'm going to make these legs. These legs are a replacement for these legs. These legs are about 7 years old. I've had to do repairs on them. They belong on that Minotaur, which is my favorite costume. I wear it 2 or 3 times a year for 6 to 8 hours a day on gravel paths, so they take a beating. And all the Halloween parties, so they probably smell a little like stale alcohol and whatever else got spilled on me. Time to get rid of them. There's nothing wrong with them. I'm going to paint them white or red and use them for the next costume that I have in mind. In the meantime, this video is all about making these legs, and I'm going to show you the inner workings and give you a few tips to get more durability out of your legs. The legs will attach to my costume using the same set of armor that I covered in other videos. It just bolts onto the knee, and once the leg is assembled, it hides the boot shaft, the hoof is still movable, and you still have the hair and the armor disguising where your leg actually is, making it look like you're in a moving horse leg. So let's get started.
Okay, before we build, let's do a quick review of my only rule, so you don't look off balance like this guy. Have you ever wondered why some costume legs look off balance? I apply one rule when making my legs, and that is that the knee has to be centered over the hoof. If you do this, it will appear that your body weight is being carried forward by the hoof and the front leg. If you don't line up the knee with the hoof, then you may appear to be leaning backwards. Now let's address another improvement I came up with. I call it the toe stop. I was lucky enough to catch myself stubbing my toe on video. Without a toe stop, stubbing your toe like this can actually force the hoof under your foot and cause you major problems.